Hi friends, today let's see how to use other programs on the LG washing machine. So let's power it on. I've added my laundry and the detergent. Here there are markings which show us how much detergent to be added according to the water level, but this is not mandatory because we'll get an idea how much we are supposed to add according to the laundry we have added. So today I want to use the soap program, so let's go. I have selected the soap program and I'll select the water level. I have selected the maximum water level and 23 minutes of wash, and I'll give 2 rinses, and spin should be good for 3 minutes. Okay, and then we can press start button. So this is going to take a total of 94 minutes including this soap and entire options. Now there you can see the water has started coming in. So it will take some time. It will pour in the water, it will soak, and it will complete the wash and the rinses. And here we have got another option, if you can notice, spin and delay when pressed together gives a child lock. So the water has stopped just now. It has taken 4 minutes, and this is pulsating action, which they say is for about, it pulsates for about 8 to 9 times or so to assess the quantity of water to mix the detergent and water. That is the purpose of it. And remember not to overload your machine, because the efficiency would decrease and it won't wash properly. So I'm using it every alternate day and not more than, say, like 4 to 5 pairs or a maximum of 6 pairs, and it gives a good wash for me. So just make sure you're not overloading your machine. See, it's still, yeah, the pulsations have stopped. I've seen this happening because after pulsating twice or thrice, it pours in more water. It does that again, it goes again. I feel this is mainly to mix the detergent, and this is really helpful. Now this minimal drum rotation has begun, and this is the soak program which is happening right now. Just single rotations and it's stopping after about 10 minutes. After about 34 minutes from the beginning, the wash cycle has begun, and in between it pulsated and it got in more water twice or thrice, and again went into the soak mode. So it has taken about half an hour. This is the proper wash cycle. You can see the way drum is rotating in continuous circles. This has started at about 57 minutes. At 46 minutes time, the wash cycle has come down to 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, the wash cycle will stop. After 57 minutes from the beginning, my wash cycle has stopped along with soak. For soaking, it has taken say about half an hour, and rest was my wash cycle, which was of 23 minutes. And now the water has started draining. After this, it will spin. After the spinning has stopped, water is flowing in again. This is for first rinsing. This is rinsing for the first time. It has done the rinsing function for about say 3 to 4 minutes, and now you can see there is one more rinse to go, and the water is draining out, and now it will spin. At the end of my first rinse and spin cycle, it's a second time water pouring in. This is for my second rinse, which is indicated here. One more rinse is left. After that, spin will follow. Here the cycle has ended, and it makes some alarm music to indicate that the complete wash has been finished. It auto powers off after completing the entire wash program. So it has taken about 1.5 hours today for the program soap that I've used, and I hope this video was useful. Thank you.